So okay, now this one question I have written on the board. Eliminate theta, exercise 2.2, question number 4. In that, the second one I am taking, x is equal to 6 cosec theta, y is equal to 8 cot theta. So from this what I can do is I will bring this 6 here, x upon 6 is equal to cosec theta and y upon 8 is equal to cot theta. So we know that WKT means we know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So cosec square theta, this there minus and write it properly. Therefore, what is by cosec? X upon 6, its square, minus what is meant by cot? Y upon 8, its square is equal to 1. The theta is eliminated, or you can do like this: x square upon 36 minus y square upon 64 is equal to 1. Thus, theta is eliminated. So this question I will not do much in this. I will give you some of the questions for homework. You might have taken this. Eliminate theta. In that, some of the questions from the textbook I will give you. The first one is x is equal to 3 sec theta and y is equal to 4 tan theta. Second I have done. The third one I am giving to you. X is equal to 4 cos theta minus 5 sin theta. This is the simultaneous equation. We have to solve it. Y is equal to 4 sin theta plus 5 cos theta. You have to find the value of sine and cos by solving the simultaneous equations. See, this is minus 5, this is plus 4. Change the sequence and multiply by the coefficient. This way you can solve it. Fourth one, x is equal to 5 plus 6 cosec theta and y is equal to 3 plus 8 cot theta. Here also you have to solve for cosec and cot. So here what cosec is equal to this. This was the fourth one. This you will bring here, x minus 5 upon 6 is equal to cosec theta. And this will be y minus 3 upon 8 is equal to cot theta. And then square it. Okay. And use the identity. So this is by simultaneous, this is by bringing the values here. And the fifth one, 2x is equal to 3 minus 4 tan theta and 3y is equal to 5 plus 3 sec theta. This way, these sums I am leaving to you. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take. I am running this now. Going for question number 5. If 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 0, find the values of cos theta. Find cos theta. So we have to find the value of cos theta. Here this is sine and here it is given as cos. I want to find the value for cos theta. So first of all I will find the value of sine square and then find the value of cos theta. This is a quadratic equation. So therefore 2 sin theta is common. Into bracket here remains sin theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 sin theta is equal to 0, or sin theta is equal to 3. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 0. 0 upon 2 will be 0. Or sin theta is equal to sin theta, make a mistake, sin theta is equal to 0 and sin theta is equal to, it has become minus 0. 2 sin theta is equal to 0 or sin theta plus 3 is equal to 0. But sin theta lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So, but sin theta, here I will write sin theta lies between minus 1 and plus 1. It can be equal to minus 1 or it can be equal to plus 1. It cannot go beyond that. Sin theta is equal to 0, we have got. Now if sin theta is equal to 0, then what is the value of cos theta? For which angles sin theta is 0? When sin of 0 degree is equal to 0 or sin of pi radians means 180 degrees, that is also 0. We'll go take 2-3 values. If it is the acute angle, then no problem. Therefore, theta is equal to 0 degree or theta is equal to 180 degree. Have you understood this? Pi radian means 180. Here I can write 180 also, 180 degree. Now cos, so theta I have got. Theta is equal to 180 degree or theta is equal to 0 degree. Now I want the cos. Cos of 0 is equal to how much? 1. Or cos of 180 degree is equal to minus 1. What is by cos? Once again I will revise it. The coordinate, this is the unit circle. Coordinates of this are 1, 0 and here 0, minus 1, 0. This coordinate, y coordinate is called as the sine and this coordinate is called as the cos. So either the value will be, for cos it will be 1 and for 180 degree, this is 180 degree here. So that is equal to minus 1. So the permissible values are 1 and minus 1. This should be the answer for that. Hope that you have understood this. Just it was factorization. Now I will take the sixth one. Sixth question also I will solve. Two cos square theta minus 11 cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0. Find cos theta. So here it is a straightaway sum. If they would have asked sin theta, first of all we would have found theta. But now it is same way. Now find the factors of 5 to the 10 such that their addition is minus 11. Check this. 5 to the 10 and the factors should be such that their addition should be minus 11. So 10 ones are. 10 is equal to 10 into 1. Addition I have to do, that means both of the factors should have the same sign, minus 10 and minus 1. That will give you minus 11. Therefore, 2 cos square theta minus 10 cos theta minus 1 cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, make the two groups. What is common? 2 cos theta is common. Into remains cos theta minus 2 5s are 10 minus 1 is taken common. So remains cos theta minus phi is equal to 0. Therefore, cos theta minus 5 into another bracket 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0, or 2 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 5, or cos theta is equal to this minus 1 will become plus 1 and this into will become upon. But once again we know that cos theta also lies between minus 1 and plus 1 always. Therefore cos theta is equal to 5 is not possible. Therefore cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2. So this is the permissible value. The question reads like this: find the permissible value. So okay, so this sum you have understood this. Such type of the questions now I am not going to take. You have understood this. One question I have taught you. One question I will give you. Question number 12. Question 11 take you for the homework. Cot theta is equal to 3 upon 4 and the theta pi 3 pi by 4. So this theta lies between pi and 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Pi means 180 degree. And 3 pi by 4 means 3 into 180 upon 4. 4 1 the 4 45 the 5 3 the 15 and 4 3 the 12 1 35. So this question is wrong in here. It should be 3 pi by 2. This is a printing mistake. It should be 3 pi by 2. Find the value of FEO for cosec theta plus 5 cos theta. Now 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. From that you will find the cosec theta, and cosec means 1 upon sine. So you have got sine. From that you will find cos. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. See, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now cosec you got, and 1 upon sine theta is equal to cosec theta. Now you got cosec theta, that means you have got sine also. Then you will employ sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and from that you can find cos theta. Okay, and then you put the value, but only remember this, that the angle is in the third quadrant. This is pi, and then ahead between 3 pi by 2 and this means here it is greater than this and less than this, means it is in the third quadrant. All students take coffee. So here tan is positive. Okay, so sine and cos will be negative. Definitely see this, don't forget this. So this is for your homework, you will do it. Some of the things you should do, not that everything the teachers are doing and you will become scholar, not so. So question number 15, find the polar coordinates. Cartesian coordinates are given. Find polar coordinates. This is question 15. The given point is minus root 3 comma 1. Now where this angle will be lying, that I have to first of all see. This way I will plot. Root 3 minus is over here. This is minus root 3 and 1 is going up on the y-axis. So this way, and here it is 1. So this is that point. Here this is the angle that I have to find. Okay. Now I will go on searching this all. R, first of all I will find R is equal to under root of x square plus y square. See this is R, this is x and this is y. R square is equal to x square plus y square. That means R is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Therefore R is equal to under root of x is minus root 3 bracket square plus y is 1 square, that is equal to under root of root 3 square is 3 and 1 is so 4. R is equal to, therefore R is equal to 2. They never take R equal to plus or minus 2. Why? Because it's the length of the radius. Okay, don't forget this. Here you will make a mistake. So tan theta is equal to what? We have to find theta. How we write in the polar coordinates r comma theta? This way we write, and this theta is always in the radians. Theta is always in the radians. First of all r and then the angle. But r is known, theta is not known. So tan theta is equal to, I have to find the value of tan theta is equal to, what is my tan? सामने वाली upon बाजू वाली, that means y upon x. Therefore tan of theta is equal to y. Y is how much? 1. And x is how much? Minus root 3. Therefore tan theta has become negative. That means it is in the which quadrant? Second quadrant. We have plotted also. Now this I will write like this, minus 1 upon root 3. How to come to this? This is of 30 degree. Tan of 30 degree. Tan of 30 degree means how much? Pi by 6 radians is equal to 1 upon root 3. And tan of pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. In which quadrant it is coming? In the second quadrant is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. Remember this. Pi minus, pi is here, minus something. How much I have to minus? Pi by 6 I have to minus. So that I will get the ratio negative. Therefore, tan of, what is this? 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. I have told you, you may be remembering, in one video I had told that if you subtract anything from pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, multiples of pi, then the ratio remains the same. Only what happens? The ratio may be positive or negative depending upon the quadrant. Here I can write that is equal to minus tan of pi by 6. Because of subtraction or addition in pi, 2 pi, 3 pi means n pi, the ratio remains the same, tan of pi by 6. Now which quadrant? Second quadrant. So negative. Because tan is coming positive in the third quadrant. We are thinking in the second quadrant. The ratio remains the same. Understood this? Okay. And this pi by 6 is minus 1 upon root 3. Therefore, theta is equal to how much it is? Theta is equal to 5 pi by 6 radians. C means radians. The polar coordinates are, I have to write the polar coordinates. Here I am making some place. The polar coordinates are is polar coordinates. Next, r or is r comma theta radian. That is equal to r is how much? 2 comma 5 pi by 6 radians. This is the answer for you. If you want to take the screenshot, you take immediately. I am going to rub and I will give you some other questions depending on this homework. So I am rubbing this now. From the same question, some questions I am giving you for the homework. In that the first one 5 comma 5, second one 1 comma root 3, third one minus 1 comma minus 1, and the fourth I have solved. Hope that you have understood this. So that's all for this video. Afterwards we will see in the next video some of the other topics.